Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to do my take on a classic Christmas tree. Somewhat of that nostalgic feeling, some things that you can bring into your Christmas tree that you might already do, but you can make them a little bit extra to give it that designer Christmas tree feel. So I hope that you enjoy the video today and that these tips can help you in your decorating season. One of the first things that I like to do is add in twinkle lights to a tree. So even if it's pre-lit, add in that extra light deep into the tree. Gives it a little bit more of that depth and movement. And then you want to go ahead in with your ribbons. I use a couple different varieties of ribbons. I like this one red and black plaid one that I got this year. I thought it was really nice and classic looking. And I mix that together with some red and gold ribbon and I layer them and then place them into the tree. In this cascading effect that I do with my ribbon, I do it in somewhat of a random pattern, but always with intention as well, and a cascading effect down the tree. Now, I don't know what says nostalgic Christmas more than a Christmas train. I got this one that goes in the tree at Walmart. It was a really cool find. And then we have our Polar Express train that we add to the bottom of the tree. And that really adds a high entertainment value for your children. Next is the picks. So that's what's going to give that tree a lot of volume. That's what's going to fill it in and going to really give it that designer look. I like to add florals and picks, but you can see even without adding ornaments that tree already looks quite full and looks ready for the showroom. Something else that I like to add to a classic Christmas tree is beaded garland. I think that really adds to the beauty of a tree, making it look almost like you're adding the jewelry to the tree that makes it really pop and really sparkle. I use a variety of different types, so I have red and gold on there, and even a classic of some handmade in there from my children. You can see a little bit of that noodle garland that just blends right in with the rest of the beauty of the tree, and that's one of the things that I like about a nostalgic classic Christmas tree. You can use just anything that means something to you. Now, with your ornaments on a big tree, use them in clusters so that way you can fill them up and make more of an impact, especially on a larger tree. Use all of your favorite nostalgic ornaments on this tree, whether that's your Christmas pickle that you need to find, or all of your favorite handmade ornaments from the people that you love and care about, and that will really make your Christmas tree something special for you and personal for you this holiday. So not only be beautiful and have that designer look, but when you look at it closely, have things that warm your heart and make that Christmas tree special. I'd love to hear which Christmas tree style you prefer. I have this red classic Christmas tree, and I also have my Winter Wonderland Christmas tree. Leave me a comment below. I'd be curious to hear what type of Christmas theme that you're placing in your home this year through this beautiful Christmas season. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and Merry Christmas and have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye for now.